Welcome to el video número 1 of the series Mastering Spanish Pronunciation. I am Andrés from Español para ti, and in this video we'll be discussing Spanish vowels and why mastering their sounds is so important. So unlike other languages such as English, Spanish vowels have only one sound. This means that once you've learned the 5 Spanish vowel sounds, you can read any Spanish word and know how to pronounce its vowels correctly. So you can always read and pronounce Spanish words with confidence and clarity, even if it's the first time you ever see them. Vowel sounds are very important in Spanish because they indicate gender, number, and sometimes even meaning. For example, the word cosa means thing in Spanish, while casa means house. The only difference between these two words is the vowel sound. Now let's practice the Spanish vowel sounds together. Repeat after me. You can see when we pronounce vowels in Spanish, our mouths are generally open. E, I, O. Notice how this is different from English. O. We don't end by saying oh. We don't turn into this oo. We just say o. And the last vowel sound is u. Muy bien. Now let's try a little exercise. I'm going to pronounce a vowel and I want you to guess which of these vowels it was. Listen carefully. A, O, I, U, E, A, I, E, I, A. Now let's do another exercise. Look at the following groups of vowels and try to read them out loud correctly. You can pause the video and then listen to the correct pronunciation and compare it with what you said. A, I, E, U, O. O, U, O, I, O, I. I, I, A, I, I, A. A, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. Don't forget to practice. You can do these exercises over and over. And once you become comfortable, I will see you in the next video. Adios.